Sikkim, a small state nestled in the Himalayas, is known for its breathtaking landscapes, diverse culture, and vibrant traditions. Here are 50 things to know when visiting Sikkim. 1. Permit requirements. **** Foreigners need a Protected Area Permit (PAP) to enter Sikkim, which can be obtained through registered tour operators. 2. Inner Line Permit (ILP****). Indian tourists require an inner line permit to visit certain restricted areas within Sikkim, like North Sikkim. 3. Geography. ****. Sikkim is divided into 4 districts: East Sikkim, West Sikkim, North Sikkim, and South Sikkim. 4. Capital. ****. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. 5. Languages. Nepali, Bhutia, and Lepcha are the official languages, and English is widely spoken. 6. Currency. ****. Indian rupee, INR, is the official currency. 7. Transport. ****. The nearest airport is in Bagdogra, West Bengal, and the nearest railway station is in New Jalpaiguri. 8. Weather. ****. Sikkim experiences a temperate climate, with summers ranging from mild to warm and winters being cold. The monsoon season is from June to September. 9. Best time to visit. ****. March to June and September to November are ideal months. 10. Gurudongmar Lake. ****. One of the highest lakes in the world, located in North Sikkim, offering stunning views. 11. Kanchenjunga. ****. The third highest mountain in the world is visible from various parts of Sikkim. 12. Flora and fauna. ****. Sikkim is rich in biodiversity, with numerous orchids, rhododendrons, and wildlife sanctuaries. 13. Yumthang Valley. ****. Known as the Valley of Flowers, it's a paradise for nature lovers. 14. Samgo Lake. ****. A glacial lake at an altitude of 12,400 feet, about 40 kilometers from Gangtok. 15. Nathula Pass. ****. A high-altitude pass on the Indo-China border, accessible to Indian tourists with permits. 16. Local cuisine. ****. Try traditional Sikkimese dishes like phagshapa, thukpa, and gundruk. 17. Local brews. ****. Millet-based alcoholic beverage, and tongpa, fermented millet drink, are popular local drinks. 18. Buddhist culture. ****. Sikkim is predominantly Buddhist, and you'll find monasteries like Rumtek and Pemayanksi. 19. Zangu. ****. A protected area reserved for the Lepcha community, offering a glimpse into their unique culture. 20. Tea gardens. Visit Temi Tea Garden, the only tea estate in Sikkim, for a scenic experience. 21. Shopping. Buy traditional Sikkimese handicrafts, carpets, and hand-woven items in markets like MG Marg in Gangtok. 22. Homestays. Experience the warmth of Sikkimese hospitality by staying in local homestays. 23. Yuksum. The historic town where the first Chogyal, religious king, of Sikkim was consecrated. 24. Festivals. Attend festivals like Losar, Saga Dawa, and Dashain to experience the vibrant culture. 25. Handicrafts. Explore the Institute of Handicrafts and Handlooms in Gangtok for authentic local crafts. 26. Temi Orange Garden. Sikkim is known for its oranges, and Temi is the only tea garden producing them. 27. Adventure sports. Enjoy activities like trekking, river rafting, and paragliding. 28. Zero Point. The northernmost point in Sikkim, offering panoramic views of snow-capped mountains. 29. Hot springs. Visit Yumthang Valley for natural hot springs believed to have therapeutic properties. 30. Ravingla. A picturesque town known for the Buddha Park and the stunning view of the Himalayas. 31. Rhododendron Sanctuary. Explore the Varsi Rhododendron Sanctuary during the blooming season. 32. Tashiding Monastery. A sacred monastery with panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. 3. Lechung and Lakan. Base towns for exploring Yumthang Valley and Gurudongmar Lake. 34. Hiking trails. Discover beautiful trails like the Zongri Trek and the Singalila Ridge Trek. 35. Banjakri Falls. A scenic waterfall near Gangtok with well-maintained gardens. 36. Enchi Monastery. A 200-year-old monastery with religious significance. 37. Birdwatching. Sikkim is a paradise for birdwatchers, with a diverse range of avian species. 38. Namgyal Institute of Tibetology. Learn about Tibetan culture, art, and history in Gangtok. 39. Ropeway ride. Take a cable car ride in Gangtok for breathtaking views of the town. 40. Cultural shows. Attend traditional dance and music performances showcasing local culture. 41. Tinkatom. Famous for the Tinkatom Orchid Sanctuary, home to various species of orchids. 42. Peling. Known for the Pema Yangtze Monastery and the stunning views of Kanchenjunga. 43. Kabi Lungchak. Historic site commemorating the blood brotherhood between the Lepchas and Bhutias. 44. Phinsang Monastery. A serene monastery with a beautiful setting. 45. Namchi. Visit the Char Dham and the Samdruptsi Monastery in this South Sikkim town. 46. Chapta Valley. A hidden gem with pristine landscapes and meandering rivers. 47. Dro Dul Chorten. A stupa in Gangtok built in 1945, offering a peaceful ambiance. 48. Green Lake. A challenging trek leading to a mesmerizing high-altitude lake. 49. Rumtek Monastery. The largest monastery in Sikkim, an important seat of the Kagyu sect. 50. Photography. Capture the stunning landscapes and vibrant culture but respect local customs and seek permission when photographing people. As you embark on your journey to Sikkim, may these insights enhance your experience of this enchanting Himalayan state. From the mist-covered mountains to the vibrant cultural tapestry, Sikkim offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rich traditions. Remember to respect the local customs, immerse yourself in the warmth of Sikkimese hospitality, and take time to savor the moments that make this destination truly special. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or cultural exploration, Sikkim has something to offer every traveler. Safe travels, and may your time in Sikkim be filled with unforgettable memories.